Good morning, students. In this video class, I will cover the topic implementation of single linked list in C language. As per your syllabus, we are going to learn implementing new data structures in C language. Hence, the subject name is data structures using C. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ತರನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಾವು ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾವಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ದ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ data structures. So now we'll go for implementing single linked lists. Single linked list can be implemented in C language by using the feature available in C language that is known as struct. Keyword here is struct and we will pronounce it usually as structure. Here is in this the member of structure here is two. One is a variable which contains data. Another one is a pointer to next structure node. So this constitutes a node of a structure, node of a list. So linked list usually collection of nodes where each node contains a pointer to the next node and the last node will have the null as the pointer value. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ last node ನಂತರ next node ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ pointer ಅಲ್ಲಿ null ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And the linked lists are created dynamically, so we don't know where the first node is stored. So to refer it, we need one more external pointer. Usually we'll call it as a start pointer or any other name you can give. So we have to create an external pointer which stores address of the first node. First node address ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. See, according to this one, here is the definition of a node for linked list created in structure variable. Structure variable contains two members. One is integer variable which contains the data where we have to input the data, and here is pointer one. This is just a template, andre ide nodalla, this is just a definition. Based on this we create nodes. So a node is declared by using struct node definition, and I'll call it as a pointer, that is new node. It is a pointer which stores address of the nodes allocation. Node ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆ ನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And when a list is not yet created, that means there is no node, then the external pointer used to point the first node will contains null. Observe here, struct node star ಅಥವಾ asterisk ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು start, and it contains null. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is a null list or empty list. So now we'll go for how a node is created in the C language. So it is the simple algorithmic steps. So we need to create a linked list by creating a node. And linked list ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If there is a data, then we have to create at least one node, otherwise it will be a null list. And since the linked list is to be created dynamically, so we have to allocate sufficient amount of memory dynamically by using malloc or calloc, whichever is suitable for your current problem. You can utilize one. Information that is stored here is to be stored in the memory is allocated by malloc, or you can use calloc also. So for this purpose we will develop a C function for example here it is get node. So get node antane agirbekantiಲ್ಲ, you can use any unique function name in C language. And the steps are here is allocating memory for the structure of type node. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ struct node ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಸೈಜಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಷ್ಟು ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನು ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Then information for the item, that is data, has to be read from the user or it may be transferred as a argument to the function. Set next field to null. Next ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ pointer to next node. Since I am creating a node, ನಾವು node create ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೇನೆ, next node ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ null assign ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು finally what's the base address of the node, that is return to the calling point. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ is returned. Here is the example code for get node function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕೋಡ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, you can write much more efficient way than the given one. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ I have given. Most efficient method you can create in your practice. So this is the get node function, and the value returned by the function is of the type struct node asterisk. That means this function returns a pointer of the type struct node. Inside the function I will declare a pointer that is new node, and it is of the type struct node. Since I am returning this one, so hence the return type here for the function here is struct node asterisk. Then I will allocate memory for new node. That means new node is a pointer. I will allocate a memory location and its address will be assigned to new node, and here it is malloc is utilized. Since the struct node definition, even though it is same, the amount of memory required for that node may be different in different operating system and different compilers. Hence I will go for size of operator to identify the actual memory requirement for struct node, and that amount of memory is allocated by using malloc. But malloc returns a normal base address of the memory location, and new node is declared as struct node. So C language is highly typed language, so the type of the variables must be matched. The type of the value and the type of the variable must be matched. Hence here is, so whatever the value returned by the malloc is converted into the type of struct node type by using typecasting method. So this is the typecasting method. Now new node has the address of the just created node. Now we'll go for a method to enter the data for data field. Here I am using printf method and scanf, printf function and scanf function. Instead of this, you may pass the value directly to the function also, get node. ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗು ಸಹಿತ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ modify the program so that we can skip the printf and scanf lines within the function, but it is left to you. You have to decide it. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. So you can modify the logic here a little bit. So after this statement, new node data will have a value, and since it is just creating node, here is new node next is a next pointer will be assigned with a value null. The reason is that I am just creating a node here, but I don't know where the next node will be created. So I am not worrying about what will be the next node's address. I will assign null in new node next, and Afterwards, I will pass, that is return the base address of new node. New node is of the type struct node, and that is specified here is return type. So this is for creating a node for linked list in C language. Okay students, so I will conclude current video tutorial. In the next video I will explain how a linked list is created with multiple nodes. Thank you.